Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Xfinity Wi-Fi to prioritize smart home devices step by step clearly. To configure your Xfinity Wi-Fi to prioritize smart home devices, begin by connecting your computer or smartphone to your Xfinity network. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in 10.0.0.1, then press enter. You will be taken to the Xfinity login page. Enter your username and password to log into your account. If you haven't changed these, the default username is usually admin and the password is password. Once logged in, navigate to the Devices tab in the main menu. Look for the section that lists all devices currently connected to your Wi-Fi. Identify the smart home devices you wish to prioritize. Click on the device you want to adjust. You will see options for device management. Find the setting that allows you to create a profile or set device priorities. Set the priority level to either high or highest for your selected devices. Repeat this process for each smart home device you want to prioritize. Next, navigate to the Quality of Service or QoS settings, if available. Ensure that QoS is enabled on your router. Adjust the settings to reflect the prioritization you want for your smart home devices. Once all adjustments are made, make sure to save any changes. Log out of the Xfinity portal. Restart your router to apply the new settings. After the restart, check the functionality of your smart home devices to ensure they are working efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.